In this video, you will learn how to create multiple ledgers and then how to display, alter and delete a ledger in Tally ERP9. By now, we have learned how to create ledgers, but we have created only single ledger. Now, in a single group, you need to create multiple ledgers. Multiple ledger creation is useful and time-saving. Say we are making more than one ledger under sundry creditors. For this, click on Create option to create multiple ledgers in Tally. There it's written under group, means under which group you want to create the ledger. We can find the list of groups at the right side of the screen. Here we are choosing Sundry Creditors and press Enter. Under this, we will enter the ledger names we wish to create. Type Manoj and press Enter. Continue entering the names. Along with the person's name, our creditors may include the names of companies or firms as well. We have entered Rohit Traders also. Press Enter to continue. We will get a message as Accept, yes or no. To accept the updated details in Tally, choose Yes. Now we have successfully created multiple ledgers in Tally ERP9. After ledgers are created, we can check multiple ledgers by choosing the Display option. Here the ledgers will be displayed group-wise. So here our group was Sundry Creditors. Click on it and press Enter. All the created ledgers are displayed group-wise. Now let's learn how to create multiple ledgers in different groups. Select Create and press Enter. Select the group category in the field under. Enter the name of the group. Select all items in the field under to create multiple groups of different categories. Let's focus on the fact that we had already created up to Manoj. Now we will make 4 more ledgers. Ravi's ledger will come under Sundry Debtors group. Commission account will come under Indirect expenses. Suresh's ledger will be inserted under Loans and Advances. And finally, interest account will be put under Indirect incomes. So come back to the previous window screen. So first we are creating Ravi's ledger. List of groups will appear. We will select Sundry Debtors and press Enter. Secondly, we will proceed to make commission account. Go to List of Groups. Choose Indirect Expenses and press Enter. Next is Suresh's ledger, which will be under Loans and Advances. And finally come to Interest account. Press Enter and choose the group as Indirect Incomes. Now accept all the 4 ledgers by pressing Yes. Now, whichever ledgers we had created, If we want to add or delete or change some information in any of the ledgers, we will use Alter option. Select Alter and press Enter. Now choose that ledger which you want to change. Say we want to change Rabi's ledger. So we will select this and press Enter. The ledger alteration window appears and Rabi's ledger gets opened. Say we want to add his address. Go on pressing Enter and finally type the address. Press Enter and accept it. If you want to see whether alteration is done or not, press Escape button and go to Display and see that the address is added. Now how to delete a ledger? For that also, we need to click on Alter option. Choose the ledger you wish to delete. Here we want to delete the ledger of Ritesh. Select the ledger. The ledger alteration window appears. Here Ritesh's ledger got opened. Now press Alter and D to delete it. The Delete dialog box appeared. To accept it, press Enter. Here we can easily find that Ritesh's ledger got deleted from the list.